Inside the wine tasting room here at Salvaterra with Giampiero Rotini. So this is where the impressions are made with respects to, you were mentioning, the elegance and the drinkability of your wines.
Yeah, this is, those are the two guidelines that, every day we put tons of passions in what we do every day. And we always try to be guided by those two things, drinkability and elegance. Because none of the two, is really clashing with the authenticity of all this beautiful place. Not a lot of people focus on drinkability of the wines, Mose, but we believe that we need to present the wines in the most approachable way for any kind of palate throughout the world. Because for us Italians, wine is a staple of a diet.
And these are your wonderful products. Why don't you give us a rundown of the products that we have here?
Well, for sure, we start with the best selling sparkling in the world, that is Prosecco. And then we go to a very well-known white varietals, that is Pinot Grigio. And then we go through the whole range of the reds coming from this unique place that is Valpolicella. And by the way, Mose, the name Valpolicella apparently is the Latin translation of three different words. Val, Polis, Celle, the valley of a lot of cellars.
Oh my God, I didn't.
It tracks back to Roman times.
Wow, so the region of many cellars. A lot of people who are beginning to introduce wine into their diets, into their regimens, a lot of them purchase wine with respects to the look of the bottle, the labeling of the bottle, without any knowledge of the wine. Do you pay close attention to that as well here at Salvaterra?
As you see, we pay a lot of attention to the decor of the bottles, because marketing is right now part of this business entirely. At the same time, we have to say that understanding Italian wine is not easy. However, let's go through a practical example of this. You got Valpolicella, you got Ripasso from Valpolicella, you got Amarone from Valpolicella. So for a newcomer that try to understand, he can probably get confused by the fact that all the different wines carry the same name, but this is just the appellation. And you see, this is our top red wine, that is Riserva Amarone, coming from Cave di Prun, that is one of the highest vineyards in this area, 500 meters above sea level. And this is the Riserva 2007, just released, and just awarded with 93 points.
There you go.
So we go, we are on the right track.
On the right track. And there's different processes involved. Before I let you go, how many bottles of wine are produced here at Salvaterra?
The total production of this brand that is only coming from this restricted area is going to be less than 200,000 bottles totally. If you want to provide quality, there's no compromise. So
there you have it. Salvaterra Winery and Production here in the Veneto region. Giampiero Rotini. And of course, you can log on to their website, www.salvaterra, I would imagine.
Salvaterra.it.
There you go, tenutosalvaterra.it. It's just spectacular. The aromas here are wonderful. The grounds are exquisite. It's a must visit if you're ever in the Veneto region. For Wine and Travel Italy, I'm Mose Persico, thanking Giampiero Rotini.
Thank you.
Grazie, molte grazie. Auguri. Salute.
Ciao.